two machines, two switches, and you will see there is one switch here, this side. This side there is a switch, just switch on. And just come here and show what is seen here. Now this is the main screen. In the main screen, first option is that single wavelength measurement, second option is multi-wavelength measurement, third one is spectrum scan, fourth one time scan. So these are the options. So the main option that we will be using is the spectrum scan, means complete spectrum in one shot. Okay. Now you see this instrument is initializing means instrument is initializing, making itself okay for the usage. So once it is initialized, then we will start using. So now it is written bandwidth is 2 nanometer, means it can record every 2 nanometer. And wavelength, now it is initializing 52, 53, means whole wavelength range it will initialize. It has no meaning to initialize 200 and all these things because this is visible region. So from 400 this machine can be used. So below 400 all these things is just to show, nothing else. Okay, now this machine is initialized and then it is saying that press the function and numeric key. What function do you want to do now? We want to record the spectrum scan. So spectrum scan belongs to 3. So we will put 3 and you see the screen is changed. Okay, screen is changed. Now the first option is absorbance reading, second option is transmittance reading, third option is scan speed setting, fourth option is scan wavelength, which wavelength range we want to measure, and then fifth नहीं है, 6 कर दिया. Fifth नहीं है, 6 is data bank, all this not necessary. So we want to now set the scan speed. Scan speed low means it is a high resolution. Slowly it record करते हैं. So it is better, but we don't need that better. For us medium is good enough. So we press the 3 once and it will change. I press the 3 once, change to low to medium. Now we have to set this 4. Scan wavelength. Scan wavelength 4. If we press 4, then it start wavelength. We give 400, and after that enter. And that is gives the end wavelength, say 600 or 650, and enter. Okay. Now this system is set up. Now we have to measure the absorbance. So we have to press 1 for absorbance. When you press 1, then it says that put referential in cell 1. So that means we have to put the reference. Reference means water ke saath. Water is our reference. So we will be using water. Another beaker you bring to throw the water. Another beaker leke aao. Wash karna hai na. So always hold this one in this like this and then do whatever you want to do. Okay, do not touch the transparent side.
So we have to fill only half, sir.
No, I am just washing. Okay. Multiple time you can wash. देखो नीचे गिर गया. I am just washing. Now this distilled water. Now
sir,
I have used.
Sir, not washing the outer sides will not cause any problem.
Outer side looks okay. Okay. So I am putting this one water in cell 1. Can you see what is the cell 1 is written or not?
Yes, sir.
Cell 1, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Cell 1 like this. So transparent side in this way. Okay, this is a light path. And then I close it. Close slowly. Don't throw it. Close slowly. You can put the cap or if you don't put the cap, is okay. So now put the reference cell 1, yes. So I put enter. Now it is rotating to make it cell 1. It is already in cell 1, but still it will rotate and put the same thing. So now cell 1 is there, and it is doing, please wait, because it is doing the background correction. Now you can pause the video, it will do.
With a bunch of गर्मी है वैसे अबे डाल देंगे यूट्यूब पे सर अपना तुम लोग देख लेना इंडिविजुअली वीडियो नहीं भेज पाएंगे सब बड़ा वीडियो
What? Complete what?
No sir 520 Sir, we will use 650 and the end will be
657, it depends. First time you see how much you record.
stopped over.
Once you get it, then you will feel that how much it has to be recorded. So 650 हो गया ना? Now it is asking cell number. Spectrum scan. Spectrum scan. Now it wants to record the spectrum. Okay. So now take it out. Throw this water. So now always make sure that you rinse this cuvette nicely. Why? Because now it is water medium, it has to be rinsed properly. So when you are rinsing is you can do like this also. कौन सा लिए थे? टिश्यू पेपर दो. हाँ? क्या कौन दे रहा है ऐसा ऐसा? So it is clean, transparent. Okay. Put it in cell number 1 and then slowly close it. Okay, I press here cell 1, spectrum scan, cell number 1, and then enter. Cell positioning, वो cell 1 में ही था, फिर भी unnecessarily it is doing those things. And now it is recording the spectrum. This is the absorbance scale, and this is the wavelength scale. So it is recording the spectrum slowly. Starts from 400. See, absorbance start from 400, and it is the wavelength scale. This is the wavelength, this is the absorbance, and this will go like this. And this is the at which wavelength now the instrument is recording, and what is the OD, optical density or absorbance. It will readjust. The scale will be readjusted once this reading is over. Scale will be readjusted. So we have given 650, it will go up to 650. So it is readjusting, and then you are getting the absorption spectrum. 400 to 650. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to plot this one in your graph paper. So you can take every 10 nanometer here manually. So 10 nanometer you take and then plot this one. How to take every 10 nanometer reading? So here you see that read is there, read. So if you press F1, then this is already cursor is there, I guess. Let's see. If you do this one, this cursor was hidden here. So this is a computer cursor kind. So you press it slowly. So maybe 430 onwards you can start taking reading. 430 reading is 0.126. Okay. Then 430 over. Then maybe 440 reading 1.135. Okay. Like this, every 10 nanometers you read here and then plot in your graph. Okay. That's the end of the time.